Do you owe the IRS money? Get expert help. So many people get that dreaded letter in the mailbox from the IRS saying that they owe money for prior year taxes. This can be a very stressful moment in your life. A lot of folks think that they can ignore this letter and it's going to go away. Quite the opposite, it's only going to get worse. The IRS is the most powerful collection agency in the world. They have an unlimited arsenal of funds, resources, and individuals that can call you, harass you until they get that debt paid. Don't ignore any notice you receive from the IRS, and definitely don't try and tackle it alone. Just because the IRS notice says you owe X amount of dollars doesn't necessarily mean that it's accurate and correct. There are so many tax relief options available for you that we're experts in identifying those and making them available to you. One of the most common reasons why you get an IRS notice is that you forgot to include income. It could be no fault from your own. It could be that you moved, they sent the notice to an old address, or quite frankly, they never even sent it out to you. One of the main reasons for you to receive an IRS notice in the mail is because you forgot to include income on your tax return. And this could be no fault from your own. It could be the employer has an old address, maybe you moved, or the 1099 that they were supposed to send you, they just never bothered to send it to you. So this is going to trigger something with the IRS system and say, you know what, we have additional income on here that wasn't reported, and now it shows that you owe more taxes. Just because that notice says you owe more taxes doesn't necessarily mean the amount that they're saying that you need to pay is correct. One of the first things that we want to do is we want to identify all of the income you had in that tax year and make sure that it's captured on that IRS notice. And we want to make sure that the income that they're saying is not on that IRS notice is correct. Once you receive that notice and you contact our offices, our team immediately starts working to see what tax relief options are available to you. First, is the information on that notice accurate? Is there any other income that was not provided on here that we need to include? Can we get these penalties waived? Are there options where we can put you in a non-collectible status? And ultimately, can we maybe remove this entire debt completely? These are the things that we start to investigate immediately and start to see what options are available to you so you don't have to go at it alone and pay the whole amount that's on that IRS notice. Some of the key benefits of working with us when you have an IRS notice is that we know the programs that are available. We know what are the things that the IRS are looking for, and we know how to get those documents to them in a timely manner. It can be a very stressful process when you owe money to the IRS, and the correspondence and the back and forth can be very lengthy. We're here to help you and make sure that we get you the best tax relief programs and options available to you. To work with me and my team, schedule an appointment there below, and we'll start helping you with these tax relief options ASAP.